And we are back. Yeah, I did not have a toothpick, but I did have needles. So if you can't find a toothpick, find a needle to fix your little mistakes. Anyway, continuing on is the next step. Let me get A220. This thing, A2. Oh, these are both the same piece, and then which piece? Oh, this neck one over here. More ASMR. Yeah. Put one over here. On this side, I mean. Hopefully that... Does it matter which side? I don't know, it kind of feels like it matters. Okay. And then one over here. I guess it didn't matter, actually. So now we have a little birdie. Because... And then... What else? Another piece like this. And then... Yeah. We snap it on the back. Yeah, this back piece over here. Like how? I don't know, I'm just playing around with this for a little bit. And then there's another piece on a different part here. Yeah. A10. And I plop this on here. And y'all worked on these kind of models, hook me up. Because I don't know about it. I mean, it definitely looks right. It just doesn't feel right. Okay, enough about this piece. I guess I'm done. Next is C part. So I'm guessing this is C. And I grab... What do I grab here? What is that? Oh no, wait, no. I'm looking at the wrong thing. So this is C7. This little piece, and this is C6. C6. And over here is A1. No, here, right? Yeah. A part 2. And view from the inside should look with the 3 dots up, and here and here. Yeah, that looks like it works. And then I grab A1. More ASMR. That was a good snap right there. And then just... Okay, yeah, I see it. This is the body. And... Let me just... Yeah. I guess that piece doesn't move. Oh, it kind of moves. Okay, yeah, it does move. So yeah, this is the body. Just to prove it, I'm gonna just... I thought this would be the tail, but no, it's the head. Yeah. That's very nice. But of course, we don't do that part yet, so... Sorry. B4 and B3 go together. Like... Oh. Like an elbow joint. 90-degree angle. C2 and C3. Lots of tiny parts you have to deal with. Oh, which way? Which way, huh? Okay, so so this way. It looks like, right? No? How do I... Okay, should go in like this, right? No? Because this doesn't work. That does not work at all. So... What? How am I supposed to... I mean, it works like that. Did I grab the wrong piece? Like... You know... I think I grabbed the wrong... Oh my god, I grabbed the wrong piece because this one just works fine. What? Well, okay. Like, you see over here, like, I grabbed this piece, and this piece was directly under it. Like, you mean it goes together, right? Not this way, that way, right? I don't know. So I guess more ASMR. Yeah, that was a good night angle. And I guess I'll just fit that together now. The other way. I swear this piece does not fit. It fits. Just like that. Little Eevee leg. So, and then you just... And they both fit pieces, so I just slide that in. Same with this. Just put these two pieces together. And this has been like 7 minutes that I am not getting back. So this is empty. This is empty. Next part, the legs. Oh boy, the back legs. I'm gonna just pop them all out here. So now, I don't know which one was A5 and I don't know which one. I'm kidding, I know. So, these two pieces go together like so. Yeah, that looks good. And these pieces do the same, like so. Yes. Ooh, the tail. The thing that's the most fluffy. The fluffiest piece. More ASMR. There's actually one more piece here, so... And you just pop these two together. Like a Kinder Egg. Do Americans have Kinder Eggs? No, they don't. No, they don't. They're illegal. Now the tail bit. Yeah. And just top it up. Like a hat. Which way? Like that. Yeah. Looking good. Joker. Yeah. So now we just take these pieces and put them together. Yeah. There is one thing I do have to do because this is important for the face. The other face. This is the little mouthpiece, and it slides right in here. Somehow. Okay, I see it. Very intricate stuff. Yep, and then just... Yeah! Yeah, that is lovely. That is very lovely and wholesome. Okay, just take the ton piece, I assume. This is the ton piece, and place it on there. I might need. I think I can get this. It's one of the bigger pieces. Okay, yeah. I think that would look good. Let me just finalize it. Yeah. Yes, I am satisfied with that. Yes. And then, yeah, we just take all these pieces and put them together. So, the neck has to go around here. Still feels wrong, and I don't know which. That way? Yeah, that way feels most natural. And I pop on the head, like so. I assume people would want to do the head last, but I do it my own way. Next, we have the flippin' tail. Pop it on like this. Yeah, that's good so far. And now the legs, which are fairly easy, hopefully. Which side? Which side? Okay, maybe I should have done the legs first. I'm gonna leave the tail. So, looks like this is the thick hole. Yeah. And this is the thin hole. Yeah. That's looking wholesome already. Minus the tiny, tiny head. Legs go here. Should be pretty obvious. Yeah. And yes, sir. Yes. 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 So now we'll just finish it off and alright. Plop it in and yes, that is good. That is good. Oh, that is adorable. Wish I had a platform. Oh. And you know what? I do have a platform. Yeah, that is good. Just pose it upright. Yeah. That is pretty sweet. That is a sweet thing I have here. So yeah. I guess I'll take a few pictures of different poses and I guess that's it. Pretty unceremonious of me, but let's at least see the happy face on it. Let me just. And yes, yes. Oh, this is adorable. Yes. Oh, that's adorable. Right. That is so adorable right there. I'm sorry I did not center it. Ah, that's adorable. I love it. So I guess that's it. Yeah. I don't really have a send off for this. I just hope I didn't stop recording. Let me just. No, it's still recording. I guess that's it. See you when I see you.